Hello mighty people, welcome back. This video is a part of MongoDB beginner to advanced level series. In this video, we are going to learn some commands related to CRUD operations. In the previous video, we have learned how to create a record in a collection, how to insert bulk records or bulk data into database, which is nothing but create operation. So for the create operation, please watch the video mentioned in the description box. In this video, we are going to see delete operations and find operations, which are nothing but delete and read operations. So let us start the video. Before starting the video, only few people are subscribed to our channel. More than 90% of the people are watching our videos without subscribing. If you subscribe to our channel, as the subscribers count grows, our channel will be reachable to more new people, so that the channel will grow and we will make more interesting videos like this. So please subscribe to our channel and watch this video. Let us start the video. First of all, on your computer, open Studio 3T. If you don't have Studio 3T on your computer, we have already created a video how to install Studio 3T on your computer and how to connect it with cloud database. Please watch that video and continue from here. After loading, Studio 3T will be in this way. Now on the top left corner you will find connect button. Click on connect. Here you will find the test connection which we have already created. If you don't have any connection, please watch the video which is mentioned in the description box. Now this is a cloud database connection. Click on it and click on connect. So our Studio 3T is connected with cloud database. Under this, I have sales database. In sales database, I have products collection. Double click on the products collection. Okay. Here in this products collection, we can find first record which is inserted in the previous video. Now let us start queries with find commands. Find. Now let us find all the products which are related to category clothing. So in this query section, db.getCollection of products.find, under this object, we need to find. It is a simple .find method which finds every data which is present in that collection. So now if you want to find all the products which are related to category clothing, now here under find in the object you need to enter key value pair. For example, we want category, right? Category, we want clothing. Now click on control and enter. If it is taking too long to respond, close it. Control plus click again. So here you will find only the products which are related to category clothing. You can find only clothing category products here. Now if you want to see, it is a string matching. Now let us see numerical matching. Now I want to see the products which have the rating 1. So enter the key as rating and its value as 1. Click on control and enter. Here these are the products which have rating 1. Now let us find boolean matching like true or false. For example, if you want to see all the products which are out of stock, so in stock false. Control enter. Here these are all the products which are out of stock, which indicates that stock quantity is 0. So these are the simple find commands. Now let us see delete commands. How to delete unwanted records in collection. Now it is the actual data. I want to delete a record which is the first one. I will change the view as JSON view. Now I want to delete this record. So if I want to delete this record, you can simply enter deleteMany command. It will delete all the data present in that collection. But I don't want to delete like that. I want to delete only specific record. So I want to enter any matching key value pair so that it will match and delete it. So I want to delete this name Madhusai. So I will copy this and I will paste here. Now I will change the command as delete1. Now remove this bracket. So it is a deleteOne command which deletes only one record which is matching with that key value pair. If you don't enter any key value pair and using deleteOne command, it will delete only the first record. So click on control and click on enter. Here you will find acknowledged true, deleted count 1. So here one record is deleted. Now let us see whether it is deleted or not. If you don't find name Madhusai, then it is deleted. I will remove deleteOne command and I will enter find. Click on control and enter. Here you can see after finding the name with Madhusai, you won't find any record. It indicates that deleteOne command is successfully run and it is deleted matching document. In this video, we have seen simple find commands and simple delete commands. In the next video, we will learn some operators and execute some complex queries related to find and delete. So stay tuned for more videos. Till now, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon so that you will be notified when we make new videos. Thanks for watching.